Johanna. I'm glad to see you. How are you today? Hopefully, you are doing great. Today, we are going to continue our Blending Class book, page 4 until 6. Please get your book, a pencil, an eraser, a pair of scissors, and also a glue. Are you ready? Let's start! Let's open our Blending Class book on page 5. In this page, you have to match the picture to its correct word. Look at the first picture. Do you remember what do we call a pointed end of something long and thin like this? Great! It's tip. Tip. Let's find the word tip. Tip starts with T. Let's find the word that starts with T. Does this word say tip? Let's blend it. Thin, thin, thin. Oh, I don't think so. How about this word? It also starts with T. Let's blend it. Tip, tip, tip. Yay! We found it! Let's draw a line from the picture to the word. Next, we have a picture of a hole in the ground. It's pit. Pit. Let's blend this word to check whether it's pit or not. Pin, pin, pin. Oh, it doesn't say pit. Let's check this one. Pit, pit, pit. Well done, we found it. Draw a line please from the picture to the word. Can you do the rest? Well done, preschoolers. Have you done? Excellent, kids. Now, let's jump on page 6. In this page, we are going to practice writing the word. You must try to write it as neatly as you can. I have 3 lines here. The top line, the dotted line in the middle, and the bottom line. Look at the first word. Let's blend it. Pin, pin, pin. P starts on the dotted line and make a line down below the bottom line. E also start at the dotted line. Don't forget to put the dot between the top line and the dotted line. And N starts at the dotted line. Let's write it down. P, E, and the dot. N, P, E, N, pin. thin. The second word is thin. Thin. Look, the start between the top line and the dotted line. E start at the dotted line. Don't forget the dot. And N start at the dotted line. Let's write it down. The E and the dot. N. The E. N. Thin. 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 Can you continue writing the rest? Good job, kids. If you have done, we are going to go back on page 4. In this page, we have got some pictures with no name in it. Your job is to find and stick the correct word for each picture. Let's cut the word first. I have done. Let's do the first one. What picture is this? Well done. This is sip. Sip. Now we have to find the word that says sip. Maybe this one. Let's check it. Sip. 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 Yes, it's correct. Get your glue and stick the word. Let's do the next one. What picture is this? Great! It's thin. Thin. Can we find the correct word? Let's check this one. Let's blend it. Type. Type. Sip. Tip. Is this the correct word? No, it's not. How about this one? Let's blend it. Thin. 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 Yay! We found it! Stick it, please. Now, can you try to do the rest yourself? Well done, kids. Please write your name. The day and the date. Today is Thursday. (8.4.2021). Okay, kids, that's enough for today. Keep practicing blending. Stay happy and healthy. See you.